If you're looking for the perfect family home with room to grow, this is a must-see on your list. With attention to detail and a flair for quality, this home is the right mix of comfort and elegance, conveniently located in desirable Carleton Landing. The main floor combines the gourmet modern-style kitchen with bright natural light, state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cupboard space. Family time is made easy with open-concept kitchen, living, and dining room area. The gas fireplace makes for a cozy family game night or movie night, and the beautiful wood floors as well as granite counters throughout are in keeping with the tasteful design of the home. Direct access to the fenced-in private backyard, complete with a new deck, means summertime barbecues and family fun is a must. On the second floor, the impressive primary bedroom boasts a spacious walk-in closet, as well as a 5-piece ensuite complete with separate jetted tub and glass shower, making this particular room a great start or end to any day. 3 additional bedrooms with large closets offers plenty of storage for the clothes horse in your family. A separate laundry room on this floor makes this chore a breeze, and a beautiful full family bathroom round out this second floor. The finished basement offers more space, perhaps for a teenage hangout, an office, or even a home gym. You decide. And another full bathroom in the basement makes this area suitable for whatever you choose. The rare 2-car garage means even more storage and convenience, so with room to grow, work, and play, this well-cared-for, clean, move-in ready home won't last long. Be sure to call Jake Prescott of Tracy Arnett Realty to book your private showing today.